In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase GoHighLevel agency logo size. We'll work inside the client portal area, so your agency branding looks crisp and professional. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the membership section. This is where the client portal lives and where the branding settings are managed. Once you're in memberships, open the client portal. If you manage multiple portals, make sure you're in the correct one for the workspace you want to update. Inside the client portal, look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click that to open all the configuration options. From there, go to the Branding tab. This page controls the visual look and feel of your portal, colors, logos, and styles. We're going to make our change using a safe, lightweight bit of custom CSS, so we don't stretch the image or distort it. Within Branding, find the Advanced section and open it. Then select CSS. In the CSS field, paste the following code exactly. Hashtag header logo, IMG, max height, 120px, width, auto. Here's what this does. The max height property sets the tallest your logo is allowed to be. In this example, 120 pixels. You can change that number to suit your design. 100 to 160 pixels is a common range that looks good in most layouts. The width is set to auto so the logo keeps its original proportions and won't look squished or stretched. If you need the logo slightly bigger or smaller, just tweak the max height value and preview the result. Before you save, double-check that your logo file itself is high quality. If a logo looks blurry when enlarged, it usually means the source image is too small. A transparent PNG, or an SVG, often works best for sharp results. Once you're happy with the code, click Save Settings. Now refresh your client portal to see the change. If you don't see it right away, try a hard refresh or clear your browser cache so the new styles load. Review the header on both desktop and mobile. If the logo feels too large on smaller screens, reduce the max height a bit until it balances nicely with your navigation. Consistency matters, so match the logo size with the rest of your portal spacing. That's it. You went to Memberships, opened the client portal, navigated to Settings, opened Branding, switched to Advanced, added the CSS, and saved. A few pixels can make a big difference in how polished your portal feels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, bolder agency branding.